Hello, welcome to Review Schmeviews. I'm Connor, and today I'm in my garden and I'm reviewing the Birdies raised garden beds. Now, there's only a few things I'm really looking for in a raised bed. That is, do they look pretty in the garden? What's the price? And are they going to hold up for more than a year or two? Are they pretty in the garden? They definitely pass that test. These beds are very pretty. I like the colors. I have them in 3 different colorways. I have them in the beige, dark black, or slate black, or whatever, and also in the green, the mist green, which I haven't set up yet. I've had one of these raised beds for about a year now, and it looks like it's brand new the day I bought it. I've seen reviews of 13-year-old Birdies beds, and they look like new. So these things are pretty resilient. You're not going to have any trouble with them rusting out or disintegrating on you. It checks the durability box. It checks the pretty box. Does it check the price box? And yes, I would say they do. These are probably some of the most affordable raised beds I have seen on the market, especially when they're on sale. You can get them for 30% off, plus another 5% off. I am an affiliate, so if you use my discount code Connor, C-O-N-N-O-R, you'll get an additional 5% off on top of the sale price. You can't beat the prices, you can't beat the durability, and they're beautiful. So go ahead and get yourself a Birdies raised bed, and you will not regret it, I promise.